So here we have these two artificial Christmas trees by the National Tree Company. Now one of them is much better than the other, so I'm going to compare them to help you figure out which one is right for you. This tree on the left is the pre-lit Dunhill Fir tree, and the tree on the right is the pre-lit North Valley Spruce tree. Now both trees are 6.5 foot tall. This one's actually a little closer to 7. They're also both the same price, and they both have this same type of branch where it's just a wire with all these plastic strips wrapped around it. I will say though, these are a bit more fluffy than these. They're also both pre-lit, with the fir tree having multicolored lights and the spruce tree having clear or warm lights. And they both look really nice when they're lit up. Now the fir tree has this 22-inch metal base, but the base on the spruce tree is only 18 inches. The fir tree also has 3-pronged branches. You can see there's the main branch, and then there's another branch coming off of each side. But the spruce tree just has these single branches. Also, you can see that spruce tree only has 5 branches coming off from the center, where the fir tree actually has 8 branches. And that just makes this fir tree look really full. It's not perfect, there are still gaps, but overall it has a lot of volume and looks pretty full. Where if we take a look at the spruce tree, we can definitely notice some larger gaps between the branches, especially at the bottom. Also, another thing where those branches make the spruce tree better is that it's a lot wider. It's just over 4 foot in diameter, where this spruce tree is about a foot less. One thing that does help out the spruce tree though is you can get it in multiple different sizes, where the fir tree only comes in this 6.5 foot tall tree. Anyway, taking all that into consideration, my overall pick is going to be the Dunhill Fir tree. It's just a bit more sturdy, it has a wider base, I really like the multicolored lights, and of course the tree is also much more full, not nearly as many spots you can see through it, and with both trees being about the same price, the Dunhill Fir tree is a pretty clear winner.